Whoa, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys and I can't wait to show you guys. But before we start rolling out, unfortunately, I actually spent a lot of time yesterday washing and cleaning up my car, and I cleaned off the tips. I just did a full detail on the car just because I haven't been working on the car in forever. And for some reason, my dad decided to run sprinklers in the middle of the day when it's like 90 or 100 degrees. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to re-wipe the entire quarter panel and all this. This sets us like 30 minutes back behind the time that I actually wanted to go. Oh man, it goes all the way up the front too. God. I'm going to wipe this all off and then I'm going to hit the road. It's not perfect, but that makes me feel a lot better. I was just upset because if the sprinklers would have went off at night, it's kind of like, oh, well, I can't do nothing about that, you know what I mean? But it's like, come on, I just got back for lunch and then it's just covered in water. So this is not perfect or compared to what I had it to yesterday, but it's a lot better. It makes me feel a little bit more presentable. And I don't know what's up with me with these walk around car shots, but I guess this is my lack of filming ability, and this is also a lot easier than throwing a whole edit together. But car looks a lot better. Let's get on the road up to Killeen to see Mr. Doug. Alright, just filled up with gas, paid a small fortune for 93. Thank you to the people upstairs. And now we're about to hit the road to come see out Doug. To come see Doug. Dude, I can't talk, y'all. Just thank you for bearing with me. I saw my thermometer, or however you say it, jump up to 101. The car is not overheating, everything's doing fine and staying. Cylinder head roughly around like 205, it jumped up to 210 at one point. Everything's going good, but I am the only person with my windows down. We just made it to Doug's shop, so we're gonna try. So a lot of the guys in the comments were all talking about the crank sensor relearn. So on these new motors, you have to make sure the crank and the motor is aligned. And so on my live wire device right here, I tried to do it, but each time I did it, it was saying error. So we're gonna try it on his SCT device, and then I bet he's got a couple tricks up his sleeve to help get this fixed. Worst case scenario is I go home today and I put stock throttle body on, or stock intake, and I do all that, and then worst case scenario is we go home today, I throw on the stock intake manifold, and then we reset it back to stock, and that should clear. So we'll get it figured out today. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, I'm gonna interrupt this video real quick. So first of all, Doug, thank you so much for having me out and just having a shop day and getting to ride in all your cars. I had an absolute blast, but I wanna apologize to my audience. I'm still not the best at going out and, I guess you could say, vlogging. I'm not really comfortable with walking around with the camera. I'm kinda awkward with it, but I'm getting more and more comfortable as I go. And also, YouTube's actually like helped my English. Like, I don't know, I actually have to think about what I'm about to say instead of my ADHD blurting out of my mouth. But we ended up going for a ride in his Vortex 3-valve. Well, it's not a 3-valve. Well, I think it was a 4-valve, but it's a Bullet. And it made like 800 wheel, and it was spinning on 315s, which was nuts. He took me for a ride in his Foxbody Mustang with a small turbo on it, but you guys will see that later in the video, so excuse the choppy clips. Enjoy. Also, if you're local to Killeen or Austin, somewhere in that ballpark, hit up Doug for any of your maintenance needs. He does every single car. He does Hemi, Chevy, Ford, whatever you can think of, and he can tune it. So hit him up. Thank you. I wore my big boy pants today. Buddy. So this is my tuner's car, and this is Doug at Stable Performance.
How's it going?
So Doug, will you give us a quick rundown on what's on the car?
It's that baby precision turbo, big waste weight, 240-pound injector, turbo 400 on series brake. That's pretty good. So,
sounds good.
Yeah, I appreciate it. But I think we're gonna have some fun.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see how good you do with it.
And we'll see how fast I think my V6 is after this.
Branding converter, I haven't had that one converter yet.
Woo. I like the shifter too.
Oh, I got that at damn. Oh shit, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
I left some pliers in the hood up there. Did you go?
Yes, sir. Pray for me.
Poverty pony.
Poverty pony. Hell yeah. I know white smoke is no bueno.
Yeah.
I thought it was breaking up, but
it did break up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's breaking up. Trust me.
I didn't know if that was a like. Well, I guess you can do a trans brake right roll.
No, I can do two-step on a launch. So.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I felt it that time. Holy shit. That good?
Fucked up. Yeah, I got him off. We're good. Shit, fuck it, man.
Alright, want me to hop out and start pushing?
Woo! Through the training, and then I slammed it in third and it grabbed.
Gotcha.
And that's what it fucking went wild. And it's like, oh shit, there it goes.
Yeah, that was some power.
That was only 15 pounds. This is 30.
God, the scramble button?
Yeah, it's 30, so it throws another 15 on top.
Oh. I don't even know what to say after that. That was insane. So at this point, I had no clue to react. Sorry, I'm not like one of those crazy people that blow up a crazy reaction, but if you ever have a chance to ride in a car that is capable of that power and caliber of speed, definitely take it, but it will completely ruin your perception of what definition of fast is. My V6 will never be fast. It might be quick, it'll never be fast. Wow, every time just me thinking about that car, I get butterflies in my belly. But back to the video. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. So I do want to apologize that the video will be a little bit choppy. I'm still getting used to going out and filming and actually getting more coverage than actually just rides in the vehicles. I'm still a little awkward with the camera. And I also don't like shoving the camera in anyone's face just because I know I wouldn't really want a camera be shoved in my face. But before I end off this video, I have one more special sticker that I got to slap on the car, and I want to show you guys it too because it looks pretty sweet. So, oh, and also, thank you so much, Doug, for letting me come out and hang out with you. The whole point of yesterday's trip for you guys was I was going to do the crank relearn, and we ended up trying to do it with this SCT device, and it didn't work. So what we're going to try is I'm going to try to take off the belt and let it run and see if it can align. If not, there's other ways that I could do it while driving too. Worst case scenario is I'll just throw on the top or the normal manifold, and then just run it stock for like 5 minutes till it re-centers, and then I'll just put on the supercharge again. But that's a little bit more labor demanding. So, one sec, there's an airplane. But thank you so much, Doug. Thank you for letting me come out and going for a ride in all of your cars. It was awesome. I am terribly sorry about the poverty pony. I sure hope that it has a speedy recovery and you guys get that thing back up and running, because that thing is a badass vehicle. I have to say so. But hit up Doug if you're in the Austin, Killeen area. He tunes everything. He's a great tuner, and he hit me up for a really good price. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Roddy's Rides out of here.